From the deep crust of the Earth to the heights of our greatest skylines, witness the extreme engineering that forges our world. We'll reveal the hidden transformation, quarrying, crushing, and a 1400-degree inferno where raw geology meets industrial science. Follow the journey through chemical fusion, molecular refinement, and the robotic precision that builds our modern civilization. This is the unseen craft. This is the science of scale. This is the story of cement.
It begins with the earth. To build a world of concrete, we first must mine the raw minerals locked within the crust.
Precision drilling prepares the rock for a controlled release of energy.
In a single moment, thousands of tons of limestone are liberated.
These jagged fragments are the primary source of calcium, the backbone of cement. Massive machinery is required to move this mountain to the processing plant.
Each load brings us closer to the chemical transformation. In this environment, even the smallest components are oversized.
It is a coordinated dance of heavy industry across miles of stone.
The raw material reaches its first destination for refinement.
Work continues around the clock to meet global demand.
The first phase of refinement is physical reduction.
Steel jaws exert thousands of pounds of pressure on the rock. Secondary crushing ensures every piece reaches a uniform size. The material now begins its long journey into the plant. These conveyors form the primary arteries of the entire factory.
Material moves toward the silos at 5 meters per second.
A stacker creates a perfectly layered stockpile for consistency.
This layering ensures the chemical recipe remains exact.
The reclaimer blends those layers back together for the mill. Clay is now added to provide essential silica and iron. Inside the mill, we transform raw rock into a fine powder. The feed rate is precisely monitored to the gram.
Steel balls pulverize the minerals through shear impact. Alternatively, vertical mills use pressure to create a fine meal. This is raw meal, a powder as fine as common flour. These silos homogenize the mix to ensure chemical stability.
Compressed air makes the dry powder behave like a liquid. Sophisticated software oversees every variable in real time. Rigorous quality control ensures the perfect mineral balance.
With the mix perfected, the meal is ready for the fire. The Preheater tower is a massive achievement in thermal engineering.
Powder falls while white-hot exhaust gases rise to meet it.
The material reaches 900 degrees in mere seconds. This heat exchange is the secret to modern plant efficiency. Every single calorie of heat is recycled and reused. A blast of fire initiates the first chemical breakdown. Carbon dioxide is stripped away, leaving reactive calcium.
Airlocks maintain internal pressure while moving the hot meal.
A glowing beacon of continuous 24-hour production.
Constant inspection is vital in these extreme temperatures.
Precision sensors monitor the very brink of transformation.
Now, the material enters the heart of the cement plant. A complex vertical network of heat and gravity.
Specialized fire bricks protect the steel from the inferno. The final chemical bond is about to be forged. The rotary kiln is where the magic of cement occurs. Massive steel rings roll with absolute surgical precision. Internal temperatures here actually mimic a volcano. Minerals fuse at 1450 degrees Celsius. New chemical compounds are born, known as clinker. The radiant heat from the shell is staggering. Relentless mechanical power keeps this titan spinning. It stands as a true monument to industrial power. Gravity moves the material toward its final destiny. Semi-liquid minerals fuse to create the strength of cities.
Thousands of kilowatts focused on a single movement.
The air itself warps under such intense energy. Essential human oversight in a world built for giants. In minutes, these minerals are fundamentally altered forever. From raw rock to a completely new synthetic mineral. Rock-solid foundations for a rock-creating process. Advanced cooling systems prevent any mechanical warping.
The material now leaves the inferno for the chill.
Gravity does the work at a slight 3-degree angle. At a molecular level, the bonds of concrete are forged.
The cooling phase is just as critical as the heating.
Huge fans freeze the chemical reactions in place. A rapid chill locks in the clinker's ultimate strength. Oversized pieces are pulverized back to the correct size. Excess heat is recycled and sent back to the burner. Now stable, the clinker is moved to final storage.
It is now harder and more powerful than limestone.
a landscape of grey stone, waiting for the final grind. Clean air systems work to protect the local environment. Millions of tons are stored here for the entire world. The final step, turning this stone into cement powder.
Gypsum is added now to control the cement's setting time.
Other minerals are blended for specialized construction grades.
The finish mill works at intense speeds for perfect fineness.
It is ground until it's 5 times finer than a human hair. In its final state, the cement flows like a liquid. Air separators ensure only the finest dust passes through. Any coarse material is returned for further grinding. Soft to the touch, yet capable of immense structural strength.
Powerful pumps transport the powder to the dispatch silos. Every batch is tested here for consistency and strength.
The precision of this product is truly unmatched. The final product is now ready for global delivery.
It is tested to withstand over 5,000 psi.
This is the culmination of a journey through fire and steel. The packing plant is a modern marvel of automation. 50-kilogram bags are filled in under 2 seconds.
Fast, efficient, and perfectly precise dispatch.
Every single bag is tracked directly to the job site. They are perfectly stacked for international shipment. Everything is protected from the elements for the journey. The long journey from the quarry is nearly complete. Bulk shipments feed the world's most massive projects.
A tireless supply chain feeding the growth of our cities.
From raw rock to the skyline, this is how we build the future. From the quarry to the cornerstone, this is the foundation of our world. Ensure you like this video and subscribe now for continued access to our expert content.